working in the morning, so I'm gonna be staying here and leaving earlier every day. Well, almost every day. So, newcomers, welcome to Crazy Town. My name's Robbie. Best of luck. Woo! Hello, Justin Bieber. Like, I don't know, breakdancing moves going around there, but we don't care. We got 140x, so we're good. We're good, you guys. We're good. 140x for you guys. 60,000 euro top for Nits. Let's go, guys.
Back on a board, everybody. Out of the four numbers, the one taking the cake. The 1 to 1, ladies and gents, for all of you. Enjoy. 4,600 names. 800 euros for top money. Commons. Yeah, also did like another exercise today, guys, you know. Besides all the regular compound exercises I do, you know, I also added to my, good luck, to my deadlift days, I added, crazy on 5X, I added, what did I add? I think I've used the phrase, dude, where's my car? At least 100 times when I forgot where I parked it. We all did. Yeah, exactly. It's like, dude, where's my car? Ooh, come on, come on. Woo, woo, ladies and gentlemen. Dude, where's my crazy time Topslot? The answer, right here, guys. We got it. Woo, let's go. Hey, ladies and gentlemen. First crazy time for today with me. And I know you're seeing the Topslot, guys. It's shiny, right? 5 times on anything. On that crazy time. Second today, let's go! Hey, well then I'm glad to be the second host here. Ladies and gents, 5X, everything, the doubles, you name it, we got it, right? Bada boom, bada bing, how you doing, Donnie? Ladies and gentlemen, a green, blue, a yellow decision time. What's it gonna be? Don't decide, you'll still get a random flapper. All right, let's write some history, eh? The book's open. Most of you rocking with that blue team. 40% of the people here actually on the crazy time. Ladies and gentlemen, 500x, the doubles. Let's just go for it. No way back, guys. Choo-choo. Next stop, Money Metropolis, baby. Good luck. Woo! 100 times for the green, 1, 2, 5 for the yellow. Team blue, we are doubling it up, guys. 1,000x. Now, lay on the wheel, ladies and gentlemen. Karate chop. Woo! Here we go. Best of luck, guys. 1,000x. Doubles still remaining. What's it gonna be? Woo! 250, ladies and gentlemen. 100 for the green. 125 for the yellow.
Reminding of its existence, you know, sometimes nutties. What's up? What's with the clown emojis there? You like the Joker movie? Which actor is better? Heath Ledger or Joaquin Phoenix? I hope I pronounced that correctly. It's because I'm carrying the weight of being the hottest girl in my city. Oh, preach, girl. Exactly, that's right. Hello, Robbie. Eddie misses me. Does he? Eddie, where are you? Crazy 10-5 Topslot, by the way, guys. Stop! Ha! Get it! Get it! Redemption time, redemption time, redemption time, redemption time. Let's go, guys. Woo! Zoom into the game. Hi, guys. Woo-hoo-hoo! Hee-hee-hee, ha-ha-ha. Got a 5x top slot. Crazy time. Hey, yep, we got it. Okay, that's it, Robbie. Chill the F down. Let's add that 5x to the, what was the name of that? To the wheel. I forgot. I forgot what a wheel was called, guys. Legendary. All right, decision time. Choose your team. Green, blue, or yellow. Right now, let's go. Let's get it. Whew. Too many hand movements going on here. You can't even see, but I'm just hyped up. Let's go. 1000x. Come on! 1000x! Let's get it! Come on, you guys! Woo! Oh! Wow! Blue team! 500 for blue, 125 for green.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTCHS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.